Alright, we're gonna start. Try to draw a face because everybody wants to know how to draw a face. I guess that's a very important part in drawing people because face. So you guys know how to draw a head. You know, basic. Now see this little line thing just above it is where that cross thing should really go, not like up here. That's incorrect. Then our ears kind of go the top of our ear, like this part goes like at the top of the eye. So this is the eye, then the ear should go like there. Okay, maybe a bit higher since the line's in the middle of the eye. There. So if it's not symmetrical. Now let's get our neck, and then our shoulders. Okay. Now I'm going to lower that opacity. Okay, so our first feature we're going to do is our nose, or our eye circles. So I'm just going to get some creepy looking eye circles. This is pretty much where our eyes are going to be. I think it's a bit too low. Just, whoop. Okay, now let's do our nose. So we're going to have a little other circle for our nose. And have a little, like that. Can you like a triangle? Little semicircles. Yep, and then we just do that. Darken this side. Then, I don't know if you want, you can erase the middle part because it looks better, I don't know. Yeah. Now we kind of go up and around the eye, you know. You most likely will do that part when you're like actually colouring, shading or whatever. Just get this guy going. There we go. It's a nose, sorry. Just get it. Okay. That doesn't look human, but we'll get to it. Now we've got our lips. I forget what emotion you want, but seems like a normal thing. So let's just get our guy going. There we go. I don't know what I did. I'll probably enlarge that. It's really hard to get proportions here on the face shape yet, but I like to do features first because that way we can like not have to redraw the entire face when the features don't seem to fit properly inside. I'll just make this person a bit happier. So this is a weird sketch because most of it will be in colour, so okay, I think now the eyes have to go a bit lower. Let's move them back down. There we go. Just these. Okay. Now we'll do the eyes. So we've got our eyeball. We're just gonna. That's too low. So we're just gonna like cross across the circle that we did earlier, like that, into like a triangle shape. I don't know what this is. You can do any eye shape you want, really. I mean, more like square down here, or higher or lower the top of the eyelid. Okay. Now I'm gonna do like the eyelash. So this is the main eyelash. That one, this is just a sketch, guys, so it's not like we try to do everything. I'm gonna do a little eye fold, my eye dint thing, I don't know, as a guide for our pencil. And I'll do the eyebrows, so that's pretty much it with this. I don't really put much effort into these guys, it's pretty simple. That was really bad. Okay. And these eyebrows are kind of broken, so I'm gonna just fix them a bit. And you can see I do use this edit tool a lot, the transform tool, because it's very useful to adjust things. So you don't have to like redraw them all the time. Alright. Now we're gonna think it's kind of distorted on this, you have a face shape around it, so we'll move the face, not the face, the head, down to like a fit. Oh no, wait. Let's move the face, that was right the first time. Up, okay. Normally I don't draw faces like this, I like draw faces in positions, so I don't normally go through this process, but I'm going to try and fit it in there. Don't know what I'm doing at this point. Okay. Now, we're going to try to make the face shape. You make a new layout, doesn't really matter. Okay. So, let's get the tool. Let's try and do, like, there's a little indent, like right here, where the eyes go, and then you just kind of curve down. Try to not make a point at the chin, because the chin's not like pointed, unless you do a cut it, and then like they can be pointed, because that's how that thing works. Okay. If you want to edit, you can like the curves, you can just kind of colour it in, as I see if I'm doing, to get a good shape, and then kind of like erase it to get a line. I mean, I do this a lot in traditional art as well. Okay, now let's just try the other side. That looks alright. With the ears. Now you're going to try to make them sort of symmetrical, like somewhat the same size than anything. Okay. Go down to the neck. You just kind of follow your guides that you did before and see what looks right. Okay. As we're not doing anything with their hands, they just kind of have low, like, resting shoulders. So not like doing anything. Otherwise it could be like that, because they're shrugging or something. Okay, now we'll do our collarbones. Now if you were doing something with the arms, and the collarbones would be doing something else, or like different perspective. Okay, we'll give them like a shirt, singlet. Alright. Okay, okay, let's take it away, see how it looks. Looks alright. Okay, let's just go to the ear. Some features in this guy. Don't know how ears work. You can get like references to see how ears work. It's like my basic inside ear. Okay, let's just go back. Okay. There's some detail. Alright. Let's try hair. So we go to a new... Oh, wait, that neck might be a bit too long. You just gotta edit what you see, right? Now we're gonna go to the hair, we'll go to new layer. Now I gotta get this guy back up because you need that headspace. Don't finish your hair down here because it looks really weird. Doesn't make any sense. So it's not that high, maybe like up to there, maybe a bit lower. So it's just a guide, so let's just think of some hair things. Let's just do the easiest. Hair. Okay, I'll just give him a beanie because it can't be stuffed right now. Okay, let's just do. Okay. I'll still gonna give him hair. It's a bit easier though, because you can just kind of just mess your way through it so no one notices that you can't draw hair. Okay, we got something that we can use. Okay. Now, just fill in the eyes a bit. Those eyes, let's just make sure everything looks alright with and without. Let me see if I can. Okay. We did the eyes in the same layer as the hair. Let's just move it down. Yeah. There we go. That looks better. Okay, now I can clearly erase stuff that you don't, that shouldn't be in like the view because it shouldn't exist because it's covered by something else. Okay. So thanks for watching, that's the end. If you want to watch the next part, which is colouring skin, well, you can go ahead. You should be able to find it somewhere in my channel. Or there's a clicky thing on the screen, it'll appear, you'll see.